Good morning, guys. Welcome to math class. Let's work on page 141 and 42. We are going to start the chapter about divisions. Divide by one-digit number. Use arrays to divide. Complete, draw to complete each array. Draw. So, this is an array, okay? And we are going to complete it. These are the parts of division. 8 divided by 4. So it means that you are going to have 8 squares in total. How many are here? In the first one. How many?
4.
4. How many do I have to draw?
8. 8.
I need 8 in total, but I already had 4. So it means that I need to draw?
Other 4.
4 more. So draw the arrays in your book. The arrays in the book has color. What color are they?
Green.
Green. Okay. Green. You can make the other 4 green too.
No, but dark green is dark green.
Now, we have to divide. What divide means? Divide is to share an amount into equal groups. If you are 20 students and I have 50 candies, I need to share the candies into my 20 students, but each student needs to receive the same number of candies, right? It means that I am not going to give to Alan 3 candies and 5 candies to Adriana. I need to divide the candies equally. If I can give only 2 candies to each student and I have leftover, tengo sobrantes, well, I have to give 2 candies because divide is to make equal groups, okay? That's divide. Now that we have 8, we are going to divide we are going to divide them into 4 equal groups. 4 equal groups. What happens if I made a group like this? How can I make this group? 1 group and 2 groups. What do you think? Hello, guys. Where are you?
Yeah, miss. Miss, are you there? Miss, what was your question? What was the question?
Okay. Listen to me. Here you have the array, right? The array is going to help you. Is going to help you solve the division. You have 8 in total, and using those 8 tiles, because each square is a tile. You are going to divide the tiles in groups of 4. I need to make group of 4. So how many are in the first line?
2 groups of 4. 2 groups of 4.
In the first line, there are 4, right? Answer. The answer. See?
The first one we have 4 and 4,
And the
and then
second
we have
line,
another one.
another 4.
So we have
Uh-huh.
2.
Now, the answer is the number of groups I made. How many groups I made?
2.
2. 2. That's the answer.
The next miss, but the next box is green too.
Dark green.
Yes.
R7 means the next box.
Dark green too.
Yes.
Okay. So the next one says this one has three rows. And in total, I need 21. So let's count. Let's continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You have to count because you need 21, okay? 21.
Finish.
Okay. Now we have to make groups. We have to make groups of 3. Groups of 3. Okay. In each group, I need 3 tiles. 3. So I have a group of 3 here. Like that, right? Let me
Yes,
change.
we have 7 groups.
1 group, 2 groups, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's the answer. 7. Another way you can see the division is thinking about the multiplication. The first one says 8 divided by 4. Okay, so you say, tengo que buscar en la tabla del 4 un número para multiplicar que el producto sea 8. ¿Sí? Así también usted lo puede analizar.
4 times 2, 8.
Exacto. Entonces usted ahí encuentra el número que le falta. Así lo puede encontrar también. Piense en una multiplicación. But you have to use this number. Okay, you have to use this one. Tiene que usar los 2 números para encontrar el tercero que le falta. So in this case, 4 times equals 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. And the next one is 21. No, you have 3 times el número que no conozco equals 21.
3 times 7.
Ahí está, 3 times 7, which is the answer here. Okay, continue. Continue, and I am not gonna wait. Tell me who is in class de los que, vamos a ver. Está Ryan, María, Fernanda, Christopher, Subak, Isabela. Ajá, María, aquí está María. I hope you're copying quickly. This one, multiples. Write the first 6 multiples of the number. Multiples are products.
Miss, how do you say in English, como estaba haciendo los cuadritos, no copian la respuesta?
Say in English.
How do you say?
How do you say in English? Dividido.
Divide. Divide. Okay. Alan, the first one is 2 and the second one is 7. Those are the answers. Okay, multiples. Write the first 6 multiples of 7. What are the multiples? The products of the table of 4. What is the first product in the table of 4? 4 times 1?
4.
4, that's the first multiple. 4 times 2?
8.
8. What is next?
12.
12. Then?
16.
16.
16.
These one are multiples, okay? 16.
20.
20. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We missed one more because the instruction says write the first 6. 24, exactly. So these are the first 6 of the first 6 multiples of 4. We can continue naming the numbers. Remember, numbers are infinite. Now, first 6 multiples of 10. The first one is 10 times 1. What's the problem? 10.
20, 30, 40, 50, and
Exactly.
60.
10, 20, 30,
Is 30,
40,
40.
50, and 60.
40, 50, and 60. Those are the first 6 multiples of 10. Okay, products equals multiples, because then we're gonna see multiples. What's the other number? The other name? Well, I don't remember at this moment. Okay. Now, subtract through 4 digits. Find the difference. This one is repeated multiplications. I think. So let's.
I can do this, Miss Victor.
Miss, I can do the next
The
one.
multiplication is 8.
No, this is not a multiplication. It says subtract. It's a subtraction. So it is 6 minus 8.
8 minus 6 is not possible.
No, it's 6 minus 8. Aquí se lee de arriba para abajo. 6 minus 8.
Okay, 6 minus 8 is not possible. That are 6 and the other are 8.
So we
Then
have
the
to
6
regroup.
group the 2 and then the 2 is 1 and then the is 16.
Okay, so it is. Regroup these 2, this is 1, and the 6 is 16. 16 minus 8, Victor.
Equal 8.
8. Now, 1 here, there's not another number, so we only bring down the numbers. The answer is 618. The next one, 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6, class, is it possible?
No. No.
What do I have to do?
Regroup.
This is 3. This is 14. 14 minus 6.
Those 6.
8. 3 minus 3, 0. And I just write down the number 7. 708. Next one. 3 minus 7. Is it possible?
No.
I have to regroup. I have to regroup. So I regroup this 1 and now it's a 0. I regroup this and now this is 13. So 13 minus 7, 5. 0 minus 3, that's not possible. So I regroup the number 4. This is 3 and this 0 is a 10. Then minus 3, 7. 3 minus 0, 3. And 5 minus 2, 3. Don't tell me that you are not copying because I'm not working fast. So I am not gonna wait. The next one is 8,681 minus 422. 1 minus 2. Not possible, I have to regroup. This one is 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 7 minus 2, 5. 6 minus 4, 2. And I just copy the 8. 8,259. What a big comma I made. Daniel, waiting room. You're going to be in the waiting room if your camera continue off. Okay. I need to continue to the next page. Ready?
I finished the copy, Miss.
Okay.
Finish the copy.
Who is copying?
I finished, Miss.
I finished, Jose Enrique.
Alan, and the camera, I insist, cameras off, I will send them to waiting room.
I'm finished.
Miss, I have problems with the internet.
Okay, no one says I'm copying. Let's continue. Here, next page, we have how many minutes? 1 minute, it's pretty late. Sort the words into the Venn diagram. Venn diagram at the bottom says multiplication words and division words. So that's what we have to do. We have to write the words that has to do only with multiplications and the words that has to do only with division. And here in this part, we are going to write the words multiplications and divisions has in common. So let's begin in the middle. In the middle, we have factor in both multiplications and division, because when we divide, you already saw that, right? That 8 divided by 4, we look for that answer in a multiplication table. So factor, Victor, don't play with pencils. Factor is a common word. Another one, multiple. The multiples, remember the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 21, and so on. So multiples is another word in common. And the last one is distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property, okay? 3 words, 3 terms. Now, words that has to do only with multiplications. Only with multiplications, multiplications indeed, multiplication. And the next word that has to do just with multiplications is product. Because in division, the product has another name. The product has the name multiple in division. Now, words that has to do with division. Division, divide, quotient. When we divide and we find the answer is named quotient. Okay? Divisor. Remainder is the leftover, es el sobrante en la división. Remainder. We're gonna see remainder tomorrow. Dividend. Partial quotient. Compatible numbers. This one has a lot of terms. Compatible numbers. There you have it.
Finish su copy, Santiago.
Okay, Santiago.
Finish the copy, Diego.
Excellent. The next part. Let's continue working in the next part. Okay. The next one says, write the word that answered the riddle. I am the method of dividing in which multiples of the divisor are subtracted from the divided and then the quotient are added together. This one is called partial product. Partial product. The next one, I am the number that is to be divided in division problems. That's the dividend. I am the number, again, that is to be divided. El número que va a ser dividido. Yo soy el número que va a ser dividido en una division problem. Okay? So I'm going to write it here. For example, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So this one is the dividing. This is the dividing. Because it says I am the number that is to be divided in the division problem. So I am the dividing, this number. The number 8 is the divided. So in a division, that's the greatest number. The dividend is the greatest number. The next one, I am the amount left over when a number cannot be divided equally. That's remainder. Remainder. And the number 4, I am the number that divided the dividend. So what is the number that divided the dividend? Is that divisor. Soy el número que divide el dividendo. So what is that number? Is this one. No, this color is green. Is
Finish, Miss.
This one. This is the divisor. Okay, this is the divisor. I'm applying some color, and this is the divided. This. The number 8 is a divided, and the number 4 is the divisor. And those are part of multiplication. So what is the name of the number 2? What is the name of that part? The number 2 is the quotient, not remainder, porque eso no es lo que nos sobra. Después van a entender bien. Tomorrow I'm going to explain what remainder is, okay? So you're going to understand that term tomorrow. Okay, so you have a homework this week, but the homework is assigned until the last day, until Wednesday. Why? Oh, because you need to understand before you do your homework. I want good grades, so you need to receive the class before you answer the homework. Thank you for your attention, guys.